It's all right. All right. No, you grumpy old thing. Look. It's your little brother. He wants to play. Be nice. Come on. Jackson. There we go. Hi, Nims. Pablo, don't be such a misery cat. Play with your little brother, look. Oh, look, he's giving it to you. He's giving you his toy. Oh, good boy, Jackson. He just gave you his toy. Oh, he wants to be friends. He wants to be friends. That's a good boy. Hey, Jackson. Hey, Pablo. You grumpy thing, you. That's all right. You just let him play. Look, watch what he wants you to play with him. See? Oh, he so wants you to play with him, Pablo. You like your furry thing, don't you?